In 1881, a peculiar partnership formed in the Galapagos Islands. The blue-footed booby and the Galapagos tortoise began a symbiotic relationship. The booby, known for its striking blue feet, would perch on the tortoise's shell, picking off parasites. In return, the tortoise gained a cleaner shell and skin. This unusual alliance puzzled Charles Darwin during his visit in 1835. Why would two such different creatures cooperate? The answer lay in survival. By working together, they thrived in the harsh island environment. This relationship continues today, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.